Hello viewers, welcome back to Live English. Today I'm gonna tell 6 English proverbs that you must know. So let's begin. Number 1 proverb is better alone than in bad company. I am a big fan of this proverb. If you feel uncomfortable in the company of someone, you should rather sit alone and enjoy your own company than be with someone whose behavior is harmful to your mental peace. Moreover, sometimes people get hurt physically also for bad company. মানে যদি মই কাৰোবাৰ সংগত থাকি মানসিক অশান্তি বা শাৰীৰিক শাস্তি বিনা দোষত পাই আছোঁ তেন্তে মই অকলে থকাটো বেছি প্ৰিফাৰ কৰিম সো বেটাৰ এলোন দেন ইন বেড কোম্পানী Number 2 is better a barefoot than none. This proverb has a moral and lesson behind its words. It's like something is better than nothing even if it is less than the amount needed. অসমীয়াত আমি যে কওঁ নাই মোমাইতকৈ কোনা মোমাইয়ে ভাল আশা কৰোঁ আপোনালোকে ধৰিব পাৰিছে Now let's forward to number 3. An empty vessel makes much noise. This proverb sounds a little bit humorous, isn't it? আমি যে অসমীয়াত কওঁ খালি ঢলৰ শব্দ বেছি exactly those who speak loudest and create unnecessary fuss but with least potential and knowledge. By the way, I guess খালি ঢলৰ শব্দ আপোনালোকেও শুনিছে Number 4 is fortune favors the brave. This proverb is personally one of my favorites. It's like you just can't sit and watch in the fear of fear. সন্মুখত বাধা বা কঠিনতা আছে আৰু তাৰ কাৰণে যদি মই মোৰ কমফৰ্ট জোনৰ পৰা বাহিৰ নহওঁ মই লাইফত আগুৱাই কেনেকৈ যাম সাকসেসফুল তো বহুত দূৰৰ কথা This proverb is for the people who face problems with courage and attain success or good luck. Number 5 is every man is the architect of his own fortune. First of all, every man here is not used only for men. This means everybody, both men and women, and their decisions dictate their course of life. মানে যিকোনো মানুহৰ প্ৰত্যেকটো সিদ্ধান্ত আৰু কৰ্মই তাৰ ভাগ্য নিৰ্ধাৰণ কৰে A person must try hard to become successful. Now let's move forward to number 6. Number 6 is all that glitters is not gold. This proverb is very popular. This means that something may not be as valuable or useful as it appears, and this can refer to people or object equally. কোনো বস্তু বা মানুহ বাহিৰৰ পৰা বিৰাট এট্ৰাক্টিভ বা খুব নলেজ থকা হৈ কৰি আছে বাট সিহঁতৰ একচুৱেল পাৰ্চনেলিটি একেবাৰে কামত নলগা বেকাৰ useless To get more videos like this in future, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.